Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and do a video update. So, what is due next Monday, April the 15th? Well, you're going to finish Unit 3. You're going to do you were supposed to go all the way through the 12-week test. You're going to do 3.8, 3.09, and the Unit 3 assessment. Now, 3.09, all 3.09 is your big project number 2 that is due April the 29th. And in this project, you're creating 5 documents, a career portfolio, a cover letter that goes with your resume, an actual resume, a follow-up letter that you would send after an interview thanking someone for their interview, references, a resignation letter giving at least 2 weeks notice of leaving a job. And here is your rubric here. And over here I've given you several tips on how to create these documents. Now for the references, you need to understand you need at least 3 references. And it needs to be an adult. It cannot be a family member. Can't be a friend. It doesn't need to be anybody like under the age of 20. It needs to be people that you have worked with either through volunteer experiences or through school. So teachers make great references, guidance counselors, pastors, other people out in the community that you have worked with. So you're making all 5 of these documents. Now this seems like a lot, but it's not really, because if you go to Google Docs and you open a new doc, you have these templates. So here's a template for a resume. You open it up, and it basically has it set up for you. You just have to fill in your information. See? It's just gibberish, and you fill in your information. If you have access to Microsoft Word is wonderful because you can type in follow-up letter, cover letter, resignation letter, and they have all of that, all the templates set up for you, and they make it really fantastically easy. Now this is due April the 29th, but since you're only doing 3.08 and 3.09 and your Unit 3 test, I would go ahead and try and get that turned in. I would make that my goal by Monday the 15th. For most of you, I know some of you are trying to get caught up. Your first 9 weeks grades, I went in and changed this week to the true score. Now is not the time to get slack. You've only got about 7-8 weeks left to graduation. So we really need to get on to this and make sure we stay caught up. So if you have any questions, you can hit me up through the Remind app by texting me. You can message me here. You can send me a straight up email to riggsk@surrey. Whatever you need to do, but make sure you communicate with me, because that's the only way I can help you, is if you let me know what's going on. And I'll talk to you guys soon.